The next company on the list is Floor and Decor Holdings with a ticker FND. I've gone ahead and put the support and resistance lines into this chart, and so let's run through the checklist. So we'll know that all of these stocks we're going through have an all-time historical trend moving upwards, so that will be a yes. Yeah, does it have 2 bounces or more in an upwards trend consistently? Let's have a look. So goes bounce there, one, doesn't really touch the support, so that's not really a bounce. Then it goes back down. So we could say, yeah, we've got a couple of bounces here, but it does come out of the trend. So I'll put that down as a no. Higher highs, high there, bounces, comes back up. No, it doesn't. Yeah, it does actually come back up higher. Yeah. Goes up, bounces, comes back, bounces there. Okay, so this bounce isn't higher than the previous one, so that would be a no. Let's have a look at potential growth. Again, similar to the last company we looked at, it jumped, it came out of the support line here, so it came out of the trend. So we wouldn't want to invest in this stock using this strategy. You probably could if in another strategy, but it's outside of the current trend. If it went back up into this trend, what would the growth be from support to resistance? So let's check that out. 15.3%. Let's jump into the next company we have on the list.